Hey, zdravo, Borut Petrni here. Today we're going to talk about another friend of mine, Bojan Brecelj, and his book Strange Friends. Strange Friends is what you need to know about Strange Friends, the book Strange Friends, is that this was published 25 years ago. And when it was published, for me, it was like a revelation, and it was really amazing book. It still is. It was published by Edition Stangel from Zurich in New York. It's really... So, about this book, I would say this. Let me do an introduction properly. So, who is Bojan Brecelj? He is a photojournalist. He traveled around the world a few times and took pictures for many different assignments. And once, a friend of, also a role model of mine from those times, Marko Modic, a photographer, was hanging around with him, and he started to put two slides together and said this could be very interesting. And the thing is that Marko Modic is just artist, and he is a photojournalist. So Bojan had great pictures from all over the world, and Marko Modic has this crazy vision of putting two pictures together and just on the base of the form. And this is a huge inspiration for me for my later work. So let me show you what I mean. So, so you see even the cover, you see these two. They're put together not because they're similar, because they're so different in their both spectra, like very clean. Anyway, and this is how it goes. You know, let's just continue. So, you see this? The connection between the big bum of the elephant and in Trinidad. Look at that. In Nile, Sudan, the stars, and Papua Noua Guinea. You see this? Yeah, it's very... And what is interesting is you have to turn around the book. You know, that would not be, that's obviously the idea of an artist, you know, not the photojournalist. So here you have one picture, here you have the second picture. And Vatican and blow up. Antonioni, right? Yeah. Gibraltar and Papua Noua Guinea. So, yeah, that's good. You see, so that's what is interesting is how you put together two totally different images, but they have to have support each other somehow. Sometimes I get a little bit lost. You know, I don't know how those two came together, but nevertheless, you know, that's the point of it. You know, you get this one is underwater siphon. Anyway, so but these two are great. Look at that. This one is South America, Trinidad, and this one is China, Shanghai, 1993. And this one, I don't know when it was done, but I guess at the same time. Like the, you know, this was done in India. This was all done on slides with multiple exposure. And the same was here with slides and multiple exposure. Just that you have a little bit of a technical insight. Yeah, good, huh? Rowing and Nile, Oxford and Ganges River. Anyway, so I will go through it. Yeah, look at that. Like he was using long exposure, and this kind of, it's like this, and then a wall at the Western Wall in Jerusalem. Yeah, look at that. Good, huh? When you put those two worlds together, yeah. And you know, and then you have a subway, London. Here is a stone. This is like ancient stone. Yeah, shooting for fashion shooting. Look at that. Twin Tower, New York. Moscow and Zanzibar. Mosque. Zanzibar. Yeah, look at that. That's a good one. Good pair. Really good pair. Indonesia and Taiwan. Lying Buddha, because he's like quadriplegic. They're calling him lying Buddha. Good. So, yeah, I will just go fast forward. Yeah, the point when I said to my friend, I said, when he published this book, I said, yeah, but it's so much, you know, you cannot really go through the whole book. I said, that's the point, you know, it's coffee table format, you know. What is a coffee table? You pick it up, you open it, and you have a visual joy of going through a section of the book, and then you put it down. And he said that was the intention. And that's how we're going to do also this video, because otherwise it would be too long. Strange Friends, published 25 years ago. If you want to buy it, I think there are maybe 5 copies left. So let me know or leave a comment, and then I will send you the information. Bye. Thank you for enjoying, and press like, subscribe, and let the Google know this content matters. Bye-bye.